that is going to be it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you found it kind of interesting. It is something that I know is not the hardest thing to make in the world, but for some it might be. So this is what it ended up turning like. It's a little bit bigger than what I preferred. So I did some experimenting and realized I can make it thinner. So I did make another version of this, but only using 1/8 inch Luan boards. These are the boards that you can purchase to use for flooring, to put down before you put vinyl flooring down or hardwood flooring down, whatever. And it worked out really good. I used some super glue in the joints, but essentially I did the exact same thing that I did with this, with the exception of using any air nails. This is completely held together with glue. This one's got the glue and wood nails, but they both work and function just as easy as the others. And this comes in handy for me right now because I've got a little bit of an allergy. So I'm going to go use this tissue. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time here in the workshop.